Welcome to the community. Kindly like, subscribe for more amazing updates. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about school supplies or school kits. Let's dive into it. School kits, school supply. What is the difference? School supply typically refers to individual items that students need for their academic work, such as pencils, pen, notebooks, glues, and so on. They are often purchased separately by parents or by students. What about school kits? School kits, on the other hand, usually refers to prepackaged set of essential supplies that a student needs for a specific grade level or course. The school kits often include a collection, note the keyword, a collection of basic supplies such as a set of pencils, a set of pens, markers, notebook or binders, folders and dividers, glue, scissors, and other craft supplies. School kits. School kits are often sold as a bundle. Unlike school supply you buy them separately, individual items. But school kits, it's not the same. They are often bought as a bundle. They are often sold as a bundle, making it convenient for parents to purchase everything their child needs. I'll take that again. School kits, unlike school supply, are often sold as a bundle, making it convenient for parents to purchase everything their child needs at once. Unlike school supply, you get them individually, but in school kits, you buy them collectively. They are often sold as a bundle, and you buy everything a child needs once. What are your thoughts? Do you have a preference for school kits or individual school supplies? Do you think one is more cost effective or convenient than the other? Let's dive more deeper into it. Now let's look at the pros and the cons of school supplies. The pros. School supplies are flexible, they are cost effective, and then customization wise. Flexibility. Parents can choose specific brands and quality of supplies. Cost effective. Buying individual supplies can be cheaper than a prepackaged kit. Customization. Parents can tailor supplies to their children's specific needs and preferences. What about the cons of school supplies? Time consuming. Parents need to search for and purchase individual supplies. School kits. Are there pros and cons for school kits? Yes, of course, there are. Now let's look at it. The pros of school kits. What are the advantages of using school kits? Convenience, organization, and simplified buying. Prepackaged kits save time and effort for parents, unlike school supplies where you buy them individually. They save time. Organization. School kits usually include structured set of supplies, making it easier for students to stay organized. Like buying a set of pencil, you can use it throughout a specific period. Buying a set of writing materials, Simplified shopping. Parents don't need to worry about forgetting essential supplies because everything is already packed, is already pre-packaged. Okay? Now, what about the cons of having school kits? Cost effect. It is costly. School kits can be more expensive than buying individual supplies. Limited customization. Parents are limited to the supplies included in the kit. When you buy a kit, you're just buying everything you see inside it, whether it is complete or not, whether they are all what you want or not. You're buying the whole kit, and everything you see there, it's yours. You're taking it the way it is. Unlike school supply, where you have the opportunity to select individual items that you want to buy. Quality content. Some kits might include low quality supplies. Because they are pre-packaged, you may not easily detect that until you've already paid for it and you've gone home to make use of it. Now, these are the cons and the pros of school kits and school supplies. Whether school kits or school supplies, you know the best for you. You know what you want for your child, and you know your budget. Very, very important. Whichever one you choose to go for, just make sure that your child supplies, whatever it is that your child needs to get going in the classroom, in the school, is well provided for. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.